Hi Instagram, this is Goumba Cooking, round number 3. We're doing breakfast. All right, let's go. Let's talk about our ingredients. Always got to highlight the ingredients. Violante and Sons homemade sausage. We got some provolone from Massimo's, some nice avocado, nice flavor bomb tomatoes, and this, smoked mozzarella. All right, we have a skillet, hot, buttered. We are gonna put the sausage in first. We are gonna brown the sausage, and then we're gonna add the other ingredients and finish off in the broiler. Let me wash my hands, touch raw meat. While that's browning, I want to say a shout out to my Goldsham family, Jeff, Gina, Lou, Ray, everyone over there, Ro, put this on to support. Let's see what we got. So you want a hot skillet, you want to brown it both sides, put the lid on, and then we're going to break that sausage up. All right. Let's start breaking the sausage up. The inspiration for this dish I got from the original skillet at Pancake House in Caldwell, Edgewater, Whippany. Shout out to Phil, Peter, Dorothea, Dimitri. Got a little olive oil in here. Get that rocking. Lid goes back on for a couple seconds. And then we're gonna get to the ingredients. Tomatoes, avocado, let that go a little bit. Eggs, and we're gonna top with some cheese, salt, pepper. All right, look at that. Let's get in there. Let's get nice and brown. Time to add the ingredients. Avocado. Tomato. Move this around a little. Okay. Now we're going to go for the cheese. Actually, let's first salt and pepper this. All right, smoked mozzarella. Little provolone action. And then top with eggs. We have 2 cups of eggs or 8 eggs. Now this whole bad boy is going into the oven, and we'll get back to when it's all done. When we're ready. All right, we're back, and it's time to take the eggs out of the oven. Look at that bad boy right there. We are gonna pair this. We're trying to be a little healthy. We got a little flax Ezekiel bread. All right, let's see what we got. Let's get this open. Nice and gooey, nice and ooey, just like we like it. Look at that. Oh my God. There you go. A little more salt and pepper. And that's it. Have a good day. Stay safe.